Salesforce Feedback Management lets your company improve the customer, partner, and employee experience by automating surveys across the entire customer lifecycle. You can unify feedback data with existing data in Salesforce to obtain meaningful insights that create an impact on business, so organizations can better understand stakeholders through direct feedback. You can create customizable lifecycle maps and automate feedback at stages of interaction most important to your business, like building a relationship with a new retail customer, assessing when partners are ready to renew contracts, or understanding employee readiness to return to work. You can make surveys more personalized by pulling data from Salesforce fields like case number, service rep name, or items purchased by inserting this data right into the survey. Then map individual responses back to Salesforce records with Data Mapper for an enriched 360-degree view of your customer. And bring all your data together with Customer Lifecycle Analytics to review survey performance like engagement and response rates, and confirm feedback validity. Then, NPS and CSAT scores are visualized across each stage in your lifecycle maps, letting you better understand where operational improvements can be made by conducting deep analysis within and across surveys. See how feedback management helps you improve the customer, employee, and partner experience with unified feedback at every stage of your relationship with Salesforce.